got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on.
Alright guys, so we are headed to Logan Steel to get the giveaway power steering reservoir powder coated flat black. So we're gonna head there now. Whoa. I gotta figure out some sort of mounting scheme for the truck, because now you guys are woo. But yeah, we're headed to Logan Steel. We're gonna get that thing powder coated, so I will I'll bring you guys back when we get there.
I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. Dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel.
Are you guys bending?
Good God, guys, look at the size of this press plate.
I gotta get that
How
down.
far can you go with this? How big of a piece?
I don't know all of the specs on this just yet. I haven't been given the list, but I believe from what I heard, it's if it's what I recall. Yeah. So not too many places around that could do a bend like this. I'm told also that it could bend up to half-inch plate, so that's pretty sick.
Alright guys, so 24 feet long roughly and half-inch plate in a press plate. That is insane. We're actually getting ready now to actually bend the piece, so we'll bring it back when it's ready to be bent. I'll show you that.
Eventually I will get myself a piece of camera. Background. This one, you know, I'll tell you, for what I'm doing, what I'm doing with this because I can bump up resolution on it. I don't even know what the map is. Actually, it's coming down because it eats up the memory so fast. Yeah, right there. I can go to right down there to but down to
Just a 9-8.
Oh no, I just mean, are you guys making a channel, an angle? Just you said a 90, so we're just going to be doing a.
Okay. We possibly could do a channel out of this.
Oh, whatever you guys are doing.
We probably will do a channel. Probably do one side, flip it around, do the other.
Okay. So this looks like a 3/8 plate or 5/16.
That is 3/8.
Okay.
3/8 by 15 by 20. 20 feet long.
Okay. Is this 10 inches right there? What was the? I think it's 15. 15. Wow.
Well, I mean, actually that's 12. That's 12. What we had earlier.
Okay.
So we'll probably end up doing.
Cool.
Alright guys, so this is super cool. They're actually going to be bending a piece of 3/8 20 feet long. They're going to bend it into a channel on this new press brake that they just got. So we're going to film it as they're bending it. It's going to be super cool, so hang out.
You can see the length of this. This is a 20-foot bend right there. We're going to place that heavy. I that just keeps going down 20 feet.
That's pretty sweet. 20 feet long, a perfect 90-degree bend, 3/8 plate, unbelievable. And it was like butter. The machine didn't even struggle. Alright guys, they're going to bend another 90 in this to make it an actual U-channel. So they can do custom U-channel stuff, bigger, smaller, whatever size you need, they can do it.
Alright guys, so that's insane. This is a perfect U-channel. 20 feet long.
And whatever size you want. So, if you guys need anything crazy bent, long bent, U-channel, 90 degree, whatever you need, this press brake can handle it. So, give the guys over at Logan a call. Check them out. They're freaking awesome. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see all that, or even if it portrayed on video how cool that actually is, but when you can take a 3/8 thick, 20 foot long, 12 foot wide piece of steel, put it into a machine, press a button, and that machine literally just goes, and it bends 90 degrees. No strain, no struggle, no nothing. It was absolutely amazing to watch in person. The scale of that machine, I tried to get the scale of it by putting the two workers that were working on it next to it to kind of give you an idea of what that scale looked like. The machine is massive and it's quiet. It makes no noise whatsoever. It just comes down and goes and bends the steel. So anywho, we got the reservoir dropped off with Mike. He's going to powder coat it. We're going to get it powder coated like a satin blacky kind of thing. As soon as that's done, we are going to announce the winner. As soon as I got it back, we'll announce the winner from Instagram and YouTube. We'll pull from both sides. We'll select a random winner. One of you lucky guys will get it. And yeah, now we're going to head back to the shop. We got a resonator that we got to weld up. I'll bring you guys along for that. Once we get the resonator welded up, yeah, that'll probably be today's video. So let's get back to the shop. And we're back. All right, we're back from Logan. Now, that machine was super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage from that. If you guys need anything from them, and I mean anything, powder coating, laser cutting, steel, aluminum, you name it, they got it. They got you covered. So go check them out. Now, we're going to weld together something. It's just a quick and easy job. I'm going to try to get some nice GoPro behind the helmet footage for you. It is just a 3-inch resonator that we need to weld two 2-bolt flanges onto. We're going to get to that now, but here's what the resonator looks like. That's it right there. So we're literally just going to weld those flanges right there. We're going to weld another flange on top. There's the rig I got set up to hopefully get you some decent shots of that weld. And yeah, so here we go. And there it is, all welded together. See if we can zoom in a little bit on that one. There we go.
and killing it with that new Optrel helmet. Full review coming on this thing by the end of the week. It is absolutely phenomenal. So you guys will get to see that towards the end of the week. It is an absolutely incredible helmet. I got nothing bad to say about it. The only one thing I wish was that the headgear was a little bit different. My 3M has a little detent. When you flip the helmet up, you can feel the detent click into place, so you really have to kind of nod to get it to come down, whereas I don't feel that with the Optrel. And occasionally if I'm looking down, it'll actually start to slide down on me. So it's the only thing that I would bitch about per se, but it is 92 degrees out today, 100% humidity. This helmet's not fogging, which is amazing. My 3M fogged like you wouldn't believe when you were breathing inside of it. So yeah, so that's the deal. We got that little resonator done. I showed you those welds. We'll show you one more time. There it is right there. And we took a trip to Logan Steel today to get the giveaway power steering reservoir powder coated, and we also got to see the big machine in action, the big press brake in action. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was everything you're looking for. Again, trying to step it up a little bit with the uploads. So enjoy the video. Check out some of my other videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good night.